Alright, so I just filmed those units over there. So now I'm gonna film these. 3 over here and 2 on the other side. So yeah. These things are ridiculous, that's why I'm gonna get them starting up. It's been running. Heat pumps from December of 2014, 2 ton. That's been running, yeah. That's definitely been running. Maybe you'll get a startup. See, there's this one. This one's small, it's 1.5 ton. Yep, 13 SEER. This one's actually newer, older. It is from, I think, August of 2014, and it's a 1.5 ton. It's a bigger one. It's got a lunch. It's got a newer compressor. Just looking for that one. Looking for that one. And looking for that one. And then this one will start off, we'll see. This one's even older. It is from June of 2014. 3.5 ton. So this one's the newest. It's from August. In December. This one's from August. This one's from June. All from 2014. Nothing running. So maybe. This one I know has. Alright. And now, on the other side, there are 2 more. And then I'm gonna head over there to that library, film those units. Here are the last 2. Here's this one. It's also got an Alliance. We're right by a road now, so. $13 SEER, 1.5 ton. Also from from December of 2014. This one. It is from July of 2014, and it's a 3 ton. Also Alliance. That one's barely from 2014. Nothing running. There's the energy guide. Yeah, no. Alright, so that's gonna be it. I just wanted to get a video of the 5 units over here. Yeah. I'm gonna head back to the other one, see the other side of it, and then I'm gonna end the video. Nope. Alright. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.